Thank you. Shut up. Hi, buddy. Okay. Hi, guys. It's Silver King here. Silver King. Okay. It'll be, show the camera, this guy from part 1 versus this guy, the cameraman from part 1. I want to see who wins, and
that's why the video was so sucky.
Yeah. Sorry for the delay on the last one, because the cameraman the same cameraman messed up.
Woo! Because people were pushing me. Sorry.
Everyone can see your ginormous nose. Alright, we're starting now. Count down from 1 to 10.
And that's from the last one, Ashley. I meant lost because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, started.
Ah! No!
Oh, shot next.
Who got shot?
No, that hit my face. Then you're dead. No, yeah, you're dead. Yeah, you're dead. I didn't know that. All right, continue. Oh, shit.
Ow! Stupid!
How I'm running. Leave the bullets on the floor, okay? No, I came here running along.
I'm the cameraman, stupid.
Yeah. We need to put it by
Stop!
Aditya, record me.
No, man.
What? Click like if you think Parm is gonna die. Click subscribe if you want a sheesh to die. I pinned it. That's my gun. No cheating.
He is good down, so he is good with you.
Get up! Guys, hurry up, man. Kill someone already. That hit me.
Here's Silver King.
Yeah, it hit me. I'm in the gun. Just wait. I call time. I'm in the gun. Oh, you're empty. You're almost empty. Now he's empty. No, leave the bullets on the floor, Parman. You're supposed to reload. I did. Oh, crap. You scared? Oh, shit! I'm gonna that. Ah! Anyone get a head? I call time! Time, I said! I slipped. Okay. And, okay, you cut. 5 seconds! 5 seconds, I said. Hold back your bullet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up!
Woo!
Yeah. Time. You know you're empty. Oh, 1 bullet left. Reload down there. I'm reloading. Reload still counts as kill. You can still kill people on reload.
Deb, you're in the video.
Headshot kill.
Deb, you're in the video.
Yeah, Dad, you're not supposed to be in the video.
Do you want to be in the video?
Now you have to come and pick them up by yourself. That's the rules of the game. You have to pick them up by yourself. Pick them up. Pick them up. You have to pick them up by yourself. Let's pick them up by yourself. Ah! Man, you're not even running to keep up with the action. Shut, man. It'd be more fun if you did this in the house. Oh, you're empty, you know that, right? I know. Kill him! No. Headshot kills! Again. Headshot kills. You can get it for a headshot! I could have already killed you. Headshot knocked you out. Last one. Oh, you fooled. I got 2 bullets. No, I got.